Tail anchoring, holdfast, behavior. Many species wrap their prehensile tail around seagrass, mangrove roots, coral, or algae to resist currents. Some species prefer specific holdfasts. Sit-and-wait hunting. Typically ambush tiny crustaceans, e.g., copepods, amphipods, mysids, by stealthily approaching and then rapidly sucking prey through a tube-like snout. Hunting style can vary with habitat and snout shape. Independent eye scanning. Individuals often remain nearly motionless while each eye tracks different targets, useful for both feeding and vigilance. Courtship displays. Many species perform synchronized dances and color changes. Some form pair bonds for a season or longer, though mating systems vary by species and location. Male brooding and birth. Females transfer eggs into the male's brood pouch. Males regulate pouch conditions, salt balance, oxygenation, and later release free-swimming young. Brood size and gestation length vary among species. Limited dispersal versus drift. Adults are often side-attached, but juveniles of some species may drift with floating seaweed or currents, affecting gene flow and range size. Camouflage and stillness. Many species rely on crypsis, matching color/texture of surroundings. The degree of spines, skin filaments, and color change ability differs among species. Seahorses, hippocampus, are symbols of patience, protection, and safe sea travel. Shown in art and used in medicines, they face trade and exploitation and are listed on CITES Appendix 2. They are flagship species for seagrass, mangrove, and coral conservation. Seahorses are ray-finned fishes in the genus Hippocampus, characterized by an upright posture, horse-like head, fused jaws forming a snout, and a prehensile tail. They are part of the pipefish/sea dragon family, Syngnathidae, and are notable for male pregnancy. Males brood embryos in a brood pouch. Body size range across genus roughly 1.5 cm to 35 cm total length, smallest pygmy to largest temperate species. Typical lifespan varies widely by species and conditions, commonly 1-5 years, with some reaching 6-10 years, especially in captivity. Upright posture with a horse-like head, neck flexion varies among species. Tubular snout with fused jaws, suction feeding on small crustaceans and zooplankton. Eyes can move largely independently, aiding prey detection while remaining cryptic. Bony plated body with distinct trunk/tail rings, no true scales and no caudal fin. Prehensile tail used to grasp holdfasts, seagrass, macroalgae, mangrove roots, corals, gorgonians, sponges, artificial structures. Coronet, crown, on head varies markedly in shape and height among species, useful for identification. Spination varies from smooth-bodied to prominently spined, some have skin filaments/cirri. Locomotion primarily via rapid dorsal fin beats with pectoral fins for steering, generally weak long-distance swimmers. Ecology generalization, mostly coastal and shelf-associated, habitats range from estuaries and seagrass to reefs and deeper soft-bottom sites depending on species. Behavior generalization, ambush predation and strong crypsis are common. Site fidelity and pair bond duration vary from seasonal to longer-term depending on species. Reproduction, male pregnancy via brood pouch in most species, brood size, gestation length, and mating systems vary across the genus. Conservation/trade context, genus is listed under CITES Appendix 2, widespread threats include habitat loss, bycatch, and targeted harvest for traditional medicine and aquarium trade. Seahorses range from about 1.5 cm to 35 cm long across the genus, from tiny pygmies to giants. In many species, it's the male that becomes pregnant, brooding embryos in a pouch until birth. They have no true stomach, food passes quickly, so many species must feed frequently when prey is available. Their eyes can move independently, helping them scan for prey and predators while staying still. Most are poor long-distance swimmers and often anchor to seagrass, corals, or algae with their prehensile tails. Color, pattern, spines, and the coronet, crown-like head crest, vary widely among species and help with camouflage and identification. All seahorses are listed under CITES Appendix 2, reflecting conservation concern and trade monitoring. Male brood pouch, a defining hippocampus feature, a specialized ventral pouch where embryos develop. Pouch structure and degree of enclosure vary across species. Upright posture and ringed armor. Bony plates form a protective, ring, exoskeleton. Body shape and spine development differ widely among species, smooth to very spiny. Prehensile tail. Functions like a grasping limb for anchoring and maneuvering in complex habitats. Tail length and robustness vary across species and habitats. Tubular snout with fused jaws, enables rapid suction feeding. Snout length and angle vary and are linked to prey type and feeding niche. Coronet diversity. The crown-like head crest differs in shape and height among species and is used in species identification. Cryptic skin features. Some species have fleshy filaments, ridges, or knobs that mimic algae or coral textures, others are smoother and rely more on color matching. Low-speed fin propulsion. Small dorsal fin beats provide precise hovering. Pectoral fins help steering, excellent maneuverability but generally weak sustained swimming.